Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming iOS 26 is active and your device is backed up. This prevents data loss. Once ready, locate the file in Files or Photos. Preview works on PDFs, images, and many documents. Tap and hold the item to reveal the contextual menu and choose Preview to open it instantly. This immediate step puts you into the editing and markup environment so you can act without extra navigation. Make sure to grant any permissions if prompted. Once in Preview, explore the toolbar. Select Pen, Highlighter, text boxes, and Shapes to annotate. Use pinch and drag gestures to zoom and place marks precisely. This gives you control over visual edits. Tap the thumbnail strip to reorder or extract pages and export selected pages as a new PDF if needed. If you have a photo or document, use Scan or Live Text to pull editable text directly into the file, which speeds up corrections and reduces retyping. To finish, tap Done to overwrite the original or choose Export to create a new copy. This preserves versions and prevents accidental data loss. Use the built-in share sheet to AirDrop, message, or email the file, or save it back to files for later. If Preview fails to open or tools are missing, restart the app and check storage and files permissions in Settings. Often a quick restart or granting access resolves the issue and gets you back to editing without losing work.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.